Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be 6-7 kid in the Merry Christmas. So guys, and I'm gonna teach you how to set up a OBS studio, which I'm recording. You gotta go to the ad, into the source, and pick the display capture. And if you want to play with OBS, wait, just just use game capture, and I did add that, so just put it a Roblox game capture device, and you gonna need that, and that's the Roblox game capture right there. I will just delete this guy, and that's how you. And wait, and if you want the webcam, please go to the add button again and go pick the video capture, and and, and that's the camera. Sorry, my camera is not working now. And that's how you connect a. And if you're the start virtual camera, you can use that, but activate it. You can go to properties of the go to the OBS virtual camera right here, guys. Go to the OBS virtual camera and accept, and that's the camera. And I will just fix that, guys. Wait. And that's the another screen, so I will deactivate that. So, and if you want to stop it, go to the, if you want the audio, go do this guy. And that's it, guys. So that's how you connect it. Audio input. So you need that. Okay. And go use that. So I have many now source. And that's how you use OBS Studio for beginners. And if you want, I have one setting to use. And first go to the settings of your on your OBS, and go to the go to appearance and pick your style to the classic, because that's the old version that you want to use. And me, I will just use this Rachi. You can change everything, and you want Twitch, just connect the account or the stream key. And sorry, I cannot beat this, but the bit rate is just only 2000 because I don't have a good Wi-Fi. Okay, chat. If it's if the FPS is good, I will be a gamer. And this is the CPU usage reset, and put it to ultra fast so it can be fast to the FPS. And this bitrate can make your internet good, but the FPS is a setting. And but if you want to change, oh crap, never mind that. I 480 because I watch YouTube. And if you want to change your FPS, please use these common FPS values and use 60, and please put it to that 16 samples. And sorry, I just failed. And please, if you want a low end PC settings, put it to 842 to X480p. And the bitrate is 1000 bitrate. So you gotta use that. And the recording is 1000 bitrate for me, okay? The audio I can fix that because I'm recording on the OBS. And just you can change your language and go to the audio. If you want to set up your mic, please put it here. If you want to disable that, please disable it. And if you want the speaker, please disable and put it here. And that's the today's video of the beginners on the OBS. Bye guys. Now we're good.